Hello guys, welcome back to Piano with Nick. I'm here with another video. So I got a request to do Hallelujah by Todd Dulaney. Okay, so this particular song was done in the key of B flat, but I'll be playing the key of F. Okay, this particular video will be a short video. Okay, so I'll be taking you through all the chords that they did. Okay, so the song has basically, I think, 4 different parts or maybe 5. Okay, I'll be taking you through all of it, so let's dive. Okay, so the song started off with the Hallelujah, you are victory. Let's check that part. Okay, so that part, it goes from the 6, then the 7. So just in case you want the note that I'm playing or the voicing I'm doing this. I'm doing the D, A, C, left on the left, okay? F, B flat, C, and F from the 6, then the 7. The 7, I'm doing the E, C, D. Right hand is doing the J, C, D, J. Then I'm doing basically the F, C, F, C, F, A. Then you have won the victory. The 2, the 6, then the 5. Okay. Alright. Then 5. Alright, then we'll move to the part we say death could not hold him captive. Okay, so death could not hold you down. You are the risen King, seated in majesty. Okay, so that's basically the 4. So the 4, I'm doing the B flat, D, F, A, and D. This is the D, C on the left. Right hand is doing the A and F. Then basically I have the C, C, the J, and E. Alright, so basically the same chord. Alright, 4, the 6, 5, okay. The other part which also says by a stripe, okay. That also follows basically simple progression, okay. So it goes from here. By stripes we are healed. So basically that part also follow a simple progression, the 4, the 6, the 5, okay. The last part, I don't know the lyrics like that. And that's the 4, then the 1, then the 5, again the 5. Alright, so basically that's the progression they use for this particular song. Okay, I hope this helps. See you in another video. Okay, subscribe if you haven't. Bye.